Hi, my name is Mark King. I'm a South Wales based property cash buyer. Something that often comes up when we're buying properties is that the vendors actually need some money to be released before they move out. So this could be for moving costs, it could be because they're moving into rental, they need to put a deposit and maybe a month or so's rent down in advance. What I can do, which you wouldn't get with a normal sale through an estate agent, is that I can actually release up to 10% of the property purchase price before completion. So we would actually release that money via the solicitor to yourself. You could use that then for your moving expenses, etc. And then the remaining balance of the sale will be paid to you on completion. If you're interested in finding out more, click on the link below or call me on 02920 501 001.